Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Hux World, and today we got another freebie that we hope is still free by the time you get this video and you know how the story goes. Just make sure you download ASAP right after the video. It is definitely a great look for a casual wear, still trying to get you guys set up for the weekend. Now, with that being said, the name of the watch face is called Rugged Worn Carbon Orange. It's a 12-hour watch face. It looks nice. I like the design of this watch face with the slight tilt to it, but it's going to give you all the information that you need and want out of a watch face. Now, in the AOD mode for the Gears 3, it's going to look nice. It's going to pretty much look like the watch face when it's on. It's just going to be dimmed out in a black theme so far as the background is concerned. And the Gears 2 is going to look slightly different, but you're still going to get your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, again, I like this slight tilt. I like the design because it's different. What you're going to get at the top of the watch is going to be your battery percentage. You're going to also get your date to the right-hand side and the day of the week. And down at the bottom to your left, you're going to get your step and your heart rate information. But I like that there's a digital time in the background, and I'm loving the stylish hands on this watch face. Now, Jonathan, hit me on this one. Let me know your thoughts. Now, is this a download or leave it right where it's at, whether it's a free watch face or not? Either way, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this awesome watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.